AI is changing coding forever. In 2026, developers are no longer coding alone, they're coding with AI. These tools can write code, fix bugs, and even build full apps in minutes. So in this video, we're counting down the top AI coding tools you must learn in 2026, ranked from number 5 to number 1. Let's begin. At number 5 is Codeium. Codeium is one of the best free AI coding assistants available right now. It supports many programming languages and works in popular editors. You can generate code, fix errors, and speed up development easily. If you want a powerful free AI coding tool, Codeium is a great choice. At number 4 is Replit AI. Replit lets you build apps and websites directly from your browser using AI. You can simply describe what you want, and it generates working code. It's perfect for beginners, students, and developers who want to build projects fast. At number 3 is Cursor AI. Cursor is a powerful AI code editor that can understand your entire project. It can write code, fix bugs, and even build features for you. Many developers believe tools like Cursor are the future of coding. At number 2 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools for programmers. You can generate code, debug errors, learn programming, and build full projects. It works like a personal coding assistant available 24/7. Most developers now use ChatGPT daily to code faster. At number 1 is GitHub Copilot. This is currently the most popular AI coding tool in the world. It suggests code in real time and helps you complete functions instantly. It supports many programming languages and works directly inside VS Code. If you want to code faster and smarter in 2026, GitHub Copilot is a must-learn tool. AI coding tools are transforming the future of programming. Developers who learn these tools early will have a huge advantage. If you want more AI tools, tech updates, and ways to make money using AI, subscribe and become an AI rockstar.